guys, it's Cassie, and as you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be sharing with you guys over 100 YouTube video ideas because I know a lot of you guys are small YouTubers or maybe wanting to start YouTube someday, and trust me guys, it can be extremely hard finding YouTube video ideas. I low-key might be making this video partly so that I can watch it later and come up with some video ideas. And I'm pretty sure out of over 100 video ideas, you guys can find at least one. But remember, if you guys enjoyed watching this video at any time, feel free to subscribe it down below to join the family. And yeah, I think that's enough talking, so let's get right into the video. Just so you guys know, I am going to be saying these pretty fast because there's over 100 of them, and I'm pretty sure you guys don't want this video to be an hour long. So, just if you guys hear a video idea you like, then just pause the video, jot it down, and then continue watching. So yeah, let's get started. You could do a cleaning my room video, you know, with the time lapses. Those are so fun to watch. You could do a room tour, you know, once your room's all clean. A closet tour, a bathroom tour, a desk tour, a Q&A video, a reacting to my subscribers' assumptions, that's really popular right now, a unpopular opinions video, a what I eat in a day video, a channel intro, 50 plus facts about me video, a monthly favorites video, a yearly favorites video, a chill morning routine, a school morning routine, a weekend night routine, a school night routine, a day in my life video, a productive day with me video, a pamper/spa day routine, a vlog, you know, if you're doing something exciting, a Instagram photo shoot vlog, a 24-hour challenge in your room video. I love watching those. Trying to pull an all-nighter challenge, what's in my backpack video, what's in my purse video, easy heatless hairstyles, fancy updos for fancy occasions, and I tried ASMR video, an ASMR roleplay, ASMR 50 triggers in less than 3 minutes, satisfying slime, aka just play with really satisfying slime. How to make slime. You can do some collections, a phone case collection, a DIY phone case video, a DIY slumber party ideas, what I got for my birthday video, what I got for Christmas video if it's Christmas time and if you celebrate Christmas, swap lives with a best friend, swap morning routines with a celebrity, test out celebrity diet/workout routine, a makeup collection video, attempting to create a makeup look, like, you know, like a really hard one by like Nikki Tutorials, Jeffree Star, you know, those type of people. Those are really funny to watch, and yeah. A simple everyday makeup look, a get ready with me school edition, a get ready with me for fancy party, a curling my hair routine, easy room decor DIYs, DIY locker decor, DIY emergency bag for school, bullet journaling for beginners, redecorating my room for blank season, whether it's fall or Christmas, whatever. Life hacks for keeping your room clean. I definitely need this video. Life hacks for the holidays, life hacks for lazy people, a summer bucket list, a 2019 or whatever year you're watching this bucket list, how to stay warm in the wintertime, types of girls at school, expectations versus reality. There are so many variations to this, and it's super fun just to get creative with it. Thoughts girls have while doing their makeup, thoughts people have while trying to fall asleep, hacks on how to fall asleep fast, struggles girls have or people have, struggles that YouTubers have, school struggles, how to deal with braces, a who knows me better video, a what's on my iPhone video, what's on my MacBook video, or really any computer. Some travel life hacks, how to pack for a vacation in just one carry-on, trying to become TikTok famous in 1 week. These videos are so funny and entertaining. What to do on a road trip, healthy breakfast ideas, how to be healthy / how to not get sick, DIY snacks for after school, a bake with me video, a mug cakes video, how to bake for beginners, I definitely need this, how to cook / bake blank, whether it's brownies, a certain type of cookie, whatever, trying weird food combinations, going to the worst reviewed blank in my city, whether it's a nail salon, restaurant, motel, whatever, how to grow long hair fast, how to play the blank instrument for beginners, whether it's piano, violin, or the guitar, something else, favorite apps you need to have on your phone, apps / websites that are helpful for school, how to study for a test, how to get good grades in school, favorite songs on Spotify, favorite oldie songs, you know, from the 70s, 80s, 90s, an original song where you sing a song that you wrote, a cover song where you sing a song that somebody else wrote, kind of self-explanatory. How to survive being sick, a New Year's resolutions video. How to deal with stress. How to make money as a teenager or a kid. How to budget/save money, how to save money online shopping, how to be a morning person, how to be a productive person, how to organize your room 101, how to find inspiration, how I edit my Instagram pictures video, how I edit my YouTube videos video, and the last one, you could just go back to the roots of YouTube and do an old-fashioned haul. And those are all the video ideas I have for you guys. I really hope they helped you guys out, and if they did, let me know by liking this video and commenting down below. I absolutely love reading your guys' comments. And if you're new to my channel and you've never seen my face before, then my name's Cassie and I post every single Sunday. So you guys should definitely subscribe down below if you guys enjoyed watching this video. And if you want to see more behind the scenes type of stuff or just my everyday life, then go ahead and follow my Instagram. It's at kasikaycorp. Go follow, it'll be linked in the description box. But yeah, I definitely think that's enough rambling for one video, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!